To developing news, the state Supreme Court just dealt a major blow to California's cash bail system as it is, nearly 5 months after voters decided to keep it in place. ABC 10's Kevin John at the Solano County Jail in Fairfield. So, Kevin, what does this mean if people can't afford to make bail?
Well, Walt, simply put, if people cannot afford to make bail, the judge must take that into consideration at the hearing, which in some cases means that defendants could be allowed to walk free while awaiting trial. Now, this comes after the California Supreme Court unanimously ruled that it is unconstitutional to keep someone locked up just because they can't afford bail. Now, to be clear, this rule doesn't apply to every defendant. Judges have the right to keep those who are considered dangerous and a threat to the public behind bars. Now, Sacramento County Sheriff Scott Jones sounded off on this very issue a few years ago and suggests considering evidence-based pretrial release programs.
But just to eliminate bail entirely, so people are either going to be in jail or out of jail, regardless of their ability to pay or not, is foolish.
Now, you may remember it was just 4 months ago when California voters rejected Prop 25, which would have eliminated cash bail altogether. Now, keep in mind, defendants are entitled to bail hearings within 48 hours of being arrested, which at that point, Walt, they can tell the judge that they cannot afford bail. And then ultimately, the judge will have the final say-so on whether or not that defendant will be able to walk free until awaiting trial or whether they should be kept behind bars, depending on what they're booked with.
Yeah, I guess that's the important thing. It depends on what they're being charged with. It doesn't mean everybody's going to walk out of there not posting bail.